How to use Cashapp money online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cashapp money online. So for that, just open your Cashapp, and here on the home screen, let's suppose you have a Cashapp amount or Cashapp money in your Cashapp account. As you can see that my account is brand new, so I don't have any money in my Cashapp as of now. Let's suppose if you have a money in your account and you want to use it online. So there are 2-3 ways you can use. So in the first way, all you can do is just, if you're outside and if you don't want to use your card, all you can do is just click on the scan icon at the top left corner and just scan the QR code available and just make the payment. And if you want to transfer the money to someone using your Cashapp balance, so all you can do is just enter the amount you want to transfer and just click on pay. And now just enter the name of the person and the amount that you want to transfer and just click on pay. So this is also how you can make the payment to someone online using Cashapp. So these are the 2 ways you can use to make payment online using Cashapp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.